Animal quiz. Test your knowledge about animals' name. Which following animal is seals? Yeah, it is true. This one is seals. Can you show me which animal below is octopus? Yes, correct. This is octopus. Which following animal is puffer fish? Yes, it is true. It is puffer fish. Which following animal is whale? Well done. It's true. It is a whale. Which following animal is seahorse? Perfect. You're correct. It is a seahorse. Can you show me which stingray fish? That's true. It is stingray fish. Can you show me which starfish? Yes, you're correct. It is starfish. Which animal is dugong? Perfect. You're correct. It's dugong. Which animal is dolphin? It's true. Well done. It's a dolphin. Which animal is whale shark? It's true. Correct. It's a whale shark. Which following animals is Japanese crab? It's true. Perfect. It is Japanese crab. Which following animal is manta ray? Perfect. You're correct. It is manta ray. Do you know which moray eelfish? Correct. It's true. It's moray eelfish. Do you know which tuna fish? That's true. You're correct. It is tuna fish. Do you know which anchovy fish? Correct. It is true. It's anchovy fish. Do you know which salmon fish? Yes, it is true. It's salmon fish. Do you know which guppy fish? That's true. It is guppy fish. Do you know which butterfly fish? That's correct. It is butterfly fish. Do you know which grouper fish? That's correct. It is grouper fish. Do you know which snapper fish? Well done. Perfect. It is snapper fish.